I had to use the Taco Fiesta stamp set again before it retires because it is so adorable. And with Cinco de Mayo right around the corner, it's a perfect opportunity to grab it before this stamp set is gone. I love the little images in it. All you have to do is stamp them with the black Memento ink pad, and then you can color them in however you'd like. I used our Stampin' Blends markers today. I just chose different fun, bright colors because I'm making a fun birthday card. Now look how cute these little guys are. This card layout is actually really simple, but it's just cute with these little images. So I will have all of the products that I've used and the measurements and everything on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and I will have all of it on there for you. And you can also go to my Stampin' Up website and you can see the different products that are going to be retiring. Thanks a lot for following along, and I'll talk to you again soon.